Hello guys, good evening. So I am Engine Cadet Del Rosario. I'm gonna be demonstrating to you the scenario of power plant diesel, which is securing of the main engine for overhauling. Here you can see the MD20, so the local control. So this scenario will only last 20 minutes, so be mindful of the time. And then, ang initial conditions natin dito is that the vessel is at port and our main engine must be at local control. So dito, even though naka-indicate na dapat naka-local control, we need to secure first our cylinder. So before that, I'm gonna go ahead and run. So we're running. So again, 20 minutes lang to guys.
You will have 20 minutes to fulfill the assessment.
Okay, so our time is starting. So the first procedure is that we need to open all indicator box. So go ahead and go to process directory. Here, MD21, the first cylinder or the main engine cylinder number 1. This is the indicator cock. Okay, so we need to open all 5 cylinders. So this is the first, process directory, second, open. Pero sa case ko, kapag gusto ko talagang madali yung trabaho ko, dito ako sa process overview. So dito sa process overview, makikita nyo yung main engine natin at ito yung mga cylinder natin. So na-open ko na yung number 2, number 3 naman. Open, process overview, 4, open, 5. Okay, so lahat ng indicator cocks ng cylinders natin, na 5 cylinder natin naka-open na. So proceed to process directory and then local control. So again, dapat naka-local to. First natin gawin after ng pag-open ng indicator cocks. I-local, click local. Okay? So again guys, be mindful of the time. Next procedure is our turning gear. We need to enable the turning gear or engage. So click engage. After engaging, we'll receive an alarm. So just acknowledge mo lang yan. Next is i-manual natin yung auxiliary air blowers. Then i-off, off. Manual off, off. After that, just proceed to MD18. So ito yung MD18. Pwede kayong dumaan sa process directory, pwede din diretso dito. So sa MD18, makikita natin yung main engine maneuvering system. So naka-local na to, so dapat naka-local talaga. Check nyo lang yan. Okay, so first natin i-close ito. Close. Ito, close. Close natin yan lahat. After ma-close lahat ng black bulb natin sa maneuvering and starting air, proceed to starting air. Sa MD 059. Pwede tayong dumaan sa process directory. 059. Ito. Start air system. Dito makikita natin ang MD20, di ba? Dalawang valves na i-off natin dito. Ito, saka ito. Okay na yan. So, nakasecure na yung shut-off valves natin sa main engine, sa air. After sa secure natin sa air system, process directory and go to our freshwater system. Here. One thing to keep in mind guys, if kapag mag-operate kayo ng pumps, make sure na may kahit isa naka-open dito kasi para hindi yung mag-build up yung pressure natin. So first, you need to click this left click para ma-local. I-local mo yan. So makaka-risk kasi ng trip. Knowledge mo lang yan. Silence. And then after mo ma-local yan, di ba? Ma-trip natin yung dito sa panel directory. Panel directory, pump control, ito nakablink, diba? Manage mo lang yan. So, back na lang, back. Before mo i-close itong main pump, i-start mo muna yung auxiliary pump natin. Sa high temperature fresh water, tsaka sa low temperature fresh water. So, kapag like 5 seconds na, para maka-adjust sila, right? I-off na natin yung main pumps. Ito. Ito. So, makaka-receive ulit tayo ng low alarm. Wala dito guys. After nyan, pwede na natin mag-close ng mga valves. So, ginagawa ko, inuuna ko to. Ito, close, close. This one, close. Tsaka ito. Ayan, may low level alarm na natin. So, silence mo yan. Tsaka acknowledge. So, after mo ma-close yan sila, itong valve na shut-off valve at saka itong outlet shut-off valve, i-drain mo yan. Importante na mag-drain natin. Okay. So, after a while, like just a while, itong naka-cooling yung dito sa main engine, tsaka sa dito. Mga main engine na connection natin, dapat naka-off yan. Ito, apat. Sa akin, apat. Kailangan kong i-close yan. Okay. So, naging normal lang ang pressure natin. Kasi auxiliary lang ang dapat pinupunan nito eh. Itong pump nito. So, nakasecure na itong freshwater system natin. So, we are at our 6-minute mark. Okay. So, let's pick up the pace. Proceed to process directory. Go to lubrication oil system. So, this is the 6th procedure, secure lube oil system to main engine. So, again, yung same principles na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Dapat naka-local to. Local muna. Yan, may alarm ka na naman. Acknowledge mo lang yan. So, makikita mo yan sa panel directory. Yan, naka-blink, di ba? So, back. Again, kapag naka-local na yan, dapat talaga pump yung na uuna. So, close mo lang yan. Di ba? Sa case ko, I don't know if it's applicable or not, or like, this is necessary. Yan, wala naman. Pero nihintay ko talaga na maging zero itong pressure dito bago ko i-off yung mga valve. So, okay na yan. Off natin itong valve. Itong main lube oil bearing supply valve. Tsaka itong filter valve natin na dalawa. Off yan. Tsaka dito. Yan. Tsaka i-manual na natin dito sa temperature control. So, we have secured our main engine lubrication oil system. So, proceed tayo sa process directory again and go to our 7th procedure, which is securing fuel oil system. Fuel oil, ito, MD11. Yan. Dito sa MD11, di ba, makikita nyo na may mga pump strings. But in my case, hindi ko muna ginagalaw itong mga pumps. First, I need to secure our auxiliary engines, which the DG1 and DG2. So, since hindi naman tayo kailangan ng ganong kabigat na power kasi nasa port tayo, we only need one generator to be running. So, let's check if since i-close natin itong system na to, dapat sa DG1 at DG2 natin, naka-change over to, naka-diesel oil. Hindi naka-fuel oil system. Dapat nasa diesel oil tayo nagra-run. So, sa case-sem na to, sa online case-sem, automatic na naka-change over na to. Pero check nyo lang. So, ang gagamitin natin generator is ang one only. So, we need to go to digit 2. So, this is the digit 2. We need to stop digit 2. So, standard procedure lang, operating procedure sa stopping of diesel generator 2. We need to click local first, dito. So, may alam yan. Ito yung auto control trip. Kapag naka-trip yan, local, i-acknowledge natin yung sa panel directory. Oh my gosh, ang lakas ng ulan. So, again, please understand na malakas ang ulan dito. So, yan, na-acknowledge ko na yung auto na nag-blink dito sa power shift generator control natin. So, back lang. Balik tayo sa diesel generator 2, right? So, naka-local lang siya. Panel directory, main switchboard diesel generator 2. So, di ba, malaki yung power natin. Hindi pwede na ganito kalaking power na i-disconnect natin to sa ating breaker, sa ating bus bar. So, we need to decrease the governor. Yan. Madali na yung di-decrease. After yun yan, inaantay ko siya maging below 100 at least para ma-disconnect ko sa breaker natin. So, we are at our 10-minute mark. Okay, disconnect na. Naka-disconnect na yung diesel generator 2 natin. So, back. Dito, naka-disconnect na, right? Breaker. So, stop diesel generator 2 from running. So, stop. Click stop. Yeah, wait. Wait for our generator to stop. It will take a while, but first secure our air system. Dito sa digit 2. Close yan. Match mo lang yung alarm. Next is, naka-stop na yung mga pumps natin. So, naka-stop na yung, hindi na nakarun yung digit 2 natin. Next natin i-secure is itong seawater system ng digit 2. Dito, sa freshwater coolers niya. Secure mo yan. So, naka-secure na ang digit 2 natin. Kapag i-observe natin dito sa ating electric power plant, isa na lang yung na-run. So, it is enough. Because nasa-port kasi tayo eh. Ang naka-under lang natin is yung mga lights and so on. So, hindi tayo on voyage. Isa lang talaga yung mag-run. After natin ma-secure yung digit 2, let's proceed to our fuel oil para sa main engine. So, local. So, may alarm tayo. Always yan kapag main pumps, i-local natin, may auto-trip talaga yan. Panel directory, pump control, yan, public. So, back mo lang. Kapag naka-local na to, ang ginagawa ko, ina-open ko to, fully open, para maka-change over siya sa diesel oil. Yan. So, naka-change over na yung 3-way valve natin. Tsaka ko lang, I'm going to stop the pumps here. Pareha kanina, ginagawa ko, inantay ko na talagang mag-zero yung pressure. So, acknowledge mo lang. So, again, pump control, kasi pump yan eh. Wala na pala. Check mo muna dito sa generator control natin. Okay na rin. Back. So, since, maliit na yung pressure, ang ginagawa ko personally, dito ako nagsa-start. Dito, off. Off rin yan. Ito na valve. Off na rin itong valve from heater 1 to steam shut-off valve. At saka ito. So, may alarm naman tayo. Acknowledge mo lang yan. So, after that, ginagawa ko rin itong steam tracing valve natin. Steam tracing valve. Off yan. So, after ko ma-secure lahat yung valves na to dito sa fuel oil system natin, huwag kayong mag-alala kung pwede nyo itong i-off or i-on kasi wala rin yan low eh. Diba? Kasi, nagra-run yung DG1 natin through our diesel oil. So, may own tank siya. We have our own tank for diesel oil. So, pwede natin yung i-off or i-secure. So, another term for off is secure. And ginagawa ko rin ay dinedrain ko. So, yan. Makikita mo may konting flow. Konti lang yan. Parang excess fuel lang yan. Okay. So, secure mo na rin balik kasi zero na yun. So, after that, this is the last part actually. So, we are at our 15-minute mark. So, marami pa tayong alarm na ma-encounter later on. So, let's start acknowledging or rectifying our alarms. Dito is HFO service tank level. So, let's go to our process directory, fuel oil service tanks. Yan, naka-high. So, ginagawa ko, drain ko lang. And I just leave it there since our HFO is very viscous or high viscosity. So, slow talaga yung drain niya. And, mauubusan talaga tayo ng time. So, pinapabayaan ko naka-open to. So, dito na scenario. So, next is, ito mga auto-chief na ito. Ginagawa ko na lang talaga is yung chine-check ko lahat ng natin. So, for example, dito, sa air cooling, hindi na to kailangan, pero ginagawa ko pa rin para na-habit ko na. I-zero ko to. Yan. Then, panel directory to main engine control. Just all the blinking buttons and just acknowledge them. And just like that. And then this one. Then part 3. This is not part of the procedure, but it became a habit of mine. Since in the initial condition, naka-finish with engine siya. So, click itong finish with engine. Yan. So, I'll just go back. So, process directory, we are at our 17-minute mark. May last alarm pa tayo ma-receive. Wait lang. So, usually yung score dito sa online KSM namin is talagang 58 lang. 58%. Siguro problema ito ng KSM kasi kapag meron talaga siyang criteria na hindi ko mahanap. Pero kapag meron kayong idea kung paano mapa-high score pa to, just comment below so that we can help each other. I hope this video will help you in the future. And I know some of you are wondering bakit ganito yung accent ko. Guys, masaya ko guys. Nagtagalog lang to. Nagtatagalog lang ako para mas maraming para maging mas relevant yung video ko in the future. Yan. Ito yung last alarm natin sa 18-minute mark. Usually. Just silence the alarm. Yan. Nintay ko na talagang makatapos yung oras ko. So, basically, that's it. And again, 58 lang yung score ko dito. And, ewan ko kung bakit, pero feel ko sa KSM talaga to. May mga scenario talaga na hindi ka makaka-perfect. Pero kapag meron kang idea, again, just tell me para you know, kung sa term pa natin, ma-rectify ko rin yung mga pagkukulang ko. Sure. So guys, it's very nice having you, and see you in my next video. Yeah. Thirty seconds to 20 minutes more. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, again, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you in a sense. Bye.
Your 20 minutes has been consumed. The exercise will now be freezed.